In this chapter, we are going to be creating the Sales Manager JEDI dashboard. And this falls in the more advanced session of the course because we are going to be combining a lot of what we have learned. So on this dashboard, you see that we have a rank. I'm ranking the top salesperson, and I'm also showing a photo of them. So if I scroll down, you see that I have Kelly Williams and the photo of Kelly Williams. Obviously, that is not Kelly Williams. If you know who that is, let me know in the comment section. And then there's Chuck Magee. That is definitely Tom Brady in this photo, the greatest of all time. But I was just having a little bit of fun with this dashboard. So there are a total of 4 salespeople on this dashboard, and I'm ranking them by year-to-date sales. All right, so you see that I'm showing some KPIs at the top. I'm also adding an image to identify these KPIs. I also have a report expression, which depending on the name of the person, I display this image. So some of the top functions and features that we are going to be going over will be rank. We are going to be creating a very complex master detail relationship. We are going to be looking at sectioning. We are going to be looking at a repeater table, conditional formatting, if then else statement. We are going to be looking at using the report expression. We are going to be using the report expression to display the image depending on the name of the salesperson. We are going to be doing grouping. We are going to be formatting. We are going to be creating summaries. We are going to be adding some custom calculations to derive the orders number based on the year to date. We are also going to be inserting this micro chart into this list. We are going to be creating 2 list reports. You see, this is a list at the top, and this is a list here at the bottom. We are going to be finessing the dashboard, of course. We are going to be adding a class. I'm going to be applying a class from the list to my title here at the top. And overall, this falls in the advanced session because we are going to be using some of the very complex features within Cognos Analytics. And just to be aware that no training class at the moment will teach any of the students how to create any of this. For the most part, if you have ever taken any Cognos training class, you notice that they do not go over a lot of the features that I mentioned. You might not see a rank, you might not see a micro chart, you might not see master detail relationships. You are definitely not going to be seeing repeaters. You are not going to be seeing images because, see, these images are important because imagine that you have a dashboard for the supervisors, right? You could have a supervisor where you could put the supervisor's image at the top, and using a page set, you can show all the direct reports of the supervisor, and you can show the images of the employees for that supervisor, and that will be a very visually appealing dashboard to have. Also, if you had some products or services that you sold, you could create a dashboard like this and have images of the products. So case in point, if you have different years or different regions or different locations, you can show each of the top 5 products for each region or location. And you can actually show the image of the product so that your managers or the CEOs or the top executives can put an image to the top performing or even the worst performing products at your company. So the sky is the limit in terms of what you can do. You see that I'm showing the 12-month trend for 2016. I'm showing the 12-month trend for 2017, 2018, and 2019. We are currently in 2019, so it's only showing the 4 months. And I'm also formatting the metrics. Instead of showing 3,200, I have formatted it to show 3.2K. Okay, so this is a very, very powerful dashboard, and part of the reason why I always say that after taking this course, you should feel comfortable becoming a contractor and start making upwards of $150,000, $160,000, $170,000 and above. So let us begin. So this is a reporting dashboard. We are not going to be using the dashboard, we are going to be using report. So let's go back to the template where I built this dashboard, and we are going to click the plus button and we are going to go to report.